The goal of blackjack is to have a hand that totals higher than the dealer's, but doesn't total to higher than 21. If your hand totals higher than 21, it is called a bust, which means you are out of the game. The game starts with everyone besides the dealer placing a bet. Then, the dealer deals one card face up to each player and one card face up to themselves. Everyone is dealt one more face-up card besides the dealer, whose second card is dealt face down. Cards 2 through 10 are scored using their face value, and jacks, queens, and kings are all equal to 10. Aces can be either 1 or 11, and you can choose their value throughout the round if you have one. If your two face-up cards total 21, you automatically win 1.5 times your bet from the dealer, and you're done for that round. Otherwise, the dealer asks whether you want another card from the top of the deck. If you do, say hit or motion toward yourself with your hand. There's no limit to how many cards you can ask for, but once your hand totals higher than 21, you bust and the dealer gets your bet. If you don't want any more cards, say stay or wave your hand over the table. Once the dealer has gone around the table, they flip up their face-down card. If it is 16 or under, they have to take another card. If it's 17 or higher, they have to stay with their hand. If the dealer busts, every player that's still in that round wins twice their bet. However, if the dealer doesn't bust, only the player whose hands are higher than the dealer's win twice their bet. Everyone else loses their initial bet. Once the round is over, all of the players place a new bet, and another round begins.